Oopbuycom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've stumbled upon Oopbuycom while shopping online, you might be wondering if it's worth it, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's a standard online store. The surprising truth is that Oopbuycom is a global marketplace connecting buyers with multiple sellers, which affects pricing, shipping, and product quality. Prices on Oopbuycom vary depending on seller, product category, and shipping location. Everyday items may start around, while electronics, fashion, or specialty goods can cost significantly more. Shipping fees and delivery times also vary by seller and location. What you get: access to a wide variety of international products, competitive seller options, and occasionally bundled shipping. What you give up: longer delivery times, inconsistent product quality, and the need to compare multiple sellers before purchase. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare products from different sellers for price and reviews. Step 2. Check shipping costs and delivery times before confirming an order. Step 3. Look for seasonal deals, coupon codes, or bundle offers. Step 4. Read return policies carefully to avoid unexpected losses. You won't believe what happens next if you sip this. Some products may take weeks to arrive or differ from descriptions. The surprising truth is that Oopbuycom offers great variety and competitive prices, but research is essential for a smooth shopping experience. In conclusion, Oopbuycom provides a wide-ranging global shopping experience. By comparing sellers, reading reviews, and planning delivery, you can maximize value and enjoy a safe, convenient online purchase.